Hi, I'm Teacher Giovanni and welcome to Minds Online Tutorial. Today I'm gonna introduce you another way of multiplying mixed fraction and a whole number, which is quite different from what we usually learned in school. In school we learned that mixed fraction will be changed first into an improper fraction and a whole number will be changed into a fraction by putting 1 in the denominator and then you multiply. And sometimes we use cancellation method in multiplying fractions. But today I'm gonna teach you another way on how to multiply mixed fraction and a whole number easily. I think this is the best and the easier way compared to the other one. So I encourage you to watch this video until the end so that you will learn how to multiply fractions or mixed fraction and a whole number easily. So I have here first is 4 times 7 and 3/5. So in school, what we do is we change mixed fraction into an improper fraction first before multiplying it, right? But here we will not do that. And this way that I'm going to introduce to you is somewhat called expanded form. So I have here 4 times 7 and 3/5. First step, I'm gonna multiply the whole number. It's 4 times 7. And 4 times 7, that is 28. So you gotta put 28 here. Next step is I gotta multiply 4 to the numerator of the fraction. So the numerator of the fraction here is 3. So I gotta multiply 4 times 3. That is 12. And just simply copy the denominator, which is 5. But we are not yet done here. Okay? Always observe the fraction. Okay? And remember that the fraction here is 12 over 5, which is improper fraction. And since 12 over 5 is an improper fraction, we have to change it into a mixed fraction. How to change improper fraction into mixed fraction? Simply divide the numerator by the denominator. And the numerator here is 12 and the denominator is 5. So we're gonna divide 12 by 5 and that is equal to 2, right? Because if you multiply 2 times 5, that is equal to 10 with the remainder of 2. Right? And the quotient here is 2 with the remainder of 2. What will you do with your remainder? You have to make it the numerator of your fraction. So your 2 here will be your whole number. So this fraction becomes 2. And make a fraction bar beside the whole number 2. Put your remainder, which is 2 in the numerator. And just simply copy the denominator, which is 5. So 12 over 5 is 2 and 2 over 5. We are not yet done here because we still have a whole number 28. What will you do with your whole number and this mixed fraction here? So we have to add 28 and 2. So 28 plus 2, that is 30. And copy the new fraction, which is 2 over 5. So this is now your answer. Okay, so let's have another example here. We multiply 6 times 5, that is 30. 6 times 1, that is 6 over 3. And still 6 over 3 is improper fraction. We have to divide 6 divided by 3. If you can divide it mentally, much better. Okay, but for the sake of everybody, I'm gonna divide 6 and 3 here. Okay, so 6 divided by 3, that is 2. And 2 times 3, that is 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. So we don't have any remainder here. So we don't have a fraction. So what will you do with your 2 here? Just simply add that to 30. So 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. As I said, we didn't have a fraction anymore. So the answer here is 32. So that's very simple, right? On how to multiply a whole number and a mixed fraction. Because most of our learners today have difficulty in multiplication of fractions. So I hope that you watch this video until the end, because I believe it will really help you, especially if you are struggling, if you have difficulty in multiplication of a mixed fraction in a whole number. And that's all for today, and I hope that you learned something. I'm Teacher Giovanni once again saying that math is minds. Math is not a difficult subject if you're willing to learn. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!